mag thedho mwandu nyiso piny owacho mondo mi odin rode mag kwalo omenda mag jopiny kaka yo mar yudo omenda moromo mag chwalo chenro mag dongruok kar thung' oganda Jokenya gi osuru manyien. Kagilose nyim komiti mar od bura mochung' ne omenda ewi paro mar chike manyien mag choko osuru, kembego wacho ni piny owacho lalo omenda maromo bilion 3 kodiochieng' kokalo e weche mag mibadhi.
Have to use the finance minister word, Mr. Badi, saying 2 billion are lost every day. And we believe it's 3 billion with especially housing levy and slowly SHIF coming in. Do we need these taxes? If we get 50% savings, you don't need these taxes. Business has serious problem, cash flow problem. I think nobody's understanding that collecting tax is one thing, how the tax are utilized. And I'll just tell you, in the last 3 months, we have had Kentrade charging $10 per entry. First of all, why do they charge in dollar? Are we a dollar economy or Kenya shilling?
Some of them are not actually manufacturing. They just import the finished product and repackage. And that's why we are trying to do this, because a few of them that are trying to be actually manufacturing are not able to be competitive because, there are some economies that have, whether it is cheaper loans or cheaper energy or something like that. So these particular, our local products are not able to compete in the market.
It's the arrogance that came out of members of parliament. And many people commented on it, that if this is the way they are talking, then this thing must be bad. Please, plead with your members.